As we all know, times are getting a little bit tougher with the rental crisis, people not being able to afford their mortgages. So there is a great solution down here at El's Caravan World. We've recently completed this job for a customer where we have turned their caravan into an extension to their home. So this is a cost-effective way to be able to maximise either your living space at home if you've already got a bit of acreage or a bit of land that's just sitting around not getting used, or alternatively, this is an option for people who are struggling to find a rental property or a house to buy for an affordable rate. When the van came into us, there was some substantial damage, particularly to the wall linings. So basically, as a way of overcoming this, a cost-effective solution was to put a large bed head across the side of the van. This, not only did it cover the existing damage, it also became a great feature for the van. Our design introduced bunk beds for the kids, for small children at the front of the van, and at the rear there was a large bed which could potentially even sleep 3 people if needed. So this was a great extension to their family home. So while this customer is just looking at a living space for their family, it also has all the mod cons needed to be able to run as it should, as if you're living in a house. So we had a kitchen, a basic kitchen, we had a battery management system in place, and we had an external shower, which is a great feature. If you're looking to renovate an old caravan for living or additional space to your home, then let us help you with the design and transformation. Our process starts with detailed consultations to understand your vision, colour and appliance selection, and we take it from there. You'll be amazed by how much can be achieved for a reasonable cost. It's not just a project, it's a shared journey. Our in-house facilities ensure competitive pricing and efficient timelines. Come down to El's Caravan World for a chat.